duration. Okay? The reason behind crashing would be as follows. Una, is to avoid late penalty. So normally, kapag meron tayong delay sa ating project, we are being penalized. Maybe whatever cost we incur after the deadline is shouldered by the company already. So automatically, gusto mong iwasan yun. Right? So if you could avoid this unnecessary cost, you will try to do that by trying to shorten the duration. Okay? Likewise, if there are incentives, if in case you finish the project ahead of time. Okay? Halimbawa, nagbigay ng yung client mo, who say kapag nasabit mo siya na mas maaga, I'll give you additional, let's say, 10,000. Okay? So you want to get the 10,000, so therefore you want to avail of that. So, gagawin mo is try mong i-shorten yung duration para ma-meet mo yung matapos mo siya before the deadline. Okay? Next is to free up to free resources to use sa iba pang projects. Kasi posible naman that you are handling multiple projects. Halimbawa kayo, usually meron kayo, as a group, marami kayong mga per projects, hindi lang sa isang subject. So, but normal, ang ginagawa ng mga estudyante would be ginagawa nyo instead na all of us doing one project, someone will do this project, another will do this project. So basically, parang we just trust each other na lang regarding the quality, right? Okay? So, what you can do is this. So, pwedeng mangyari is, try mo i-minimize gawin ng isang project o try mo tapusin na mas magi sa project para at least you could free yourself para to do the other project. Di ba? So, yun ang gagawin natin. So, try mo identify kung anong activity na pwede mo i-shorten yung kanya duration. Okay? Next. Ano yung options natin when we do crashing? Una is by getting additional resources, meaning add more people, purchase new equipment na mas high-tech, okay, magdagdag ka ng bagong equipment, magdagdag ka ng isa pang equipment para at least mas dumami ka pang process mo. Okay? So probably in your case, how can you add, you can add resources, you can add people, kasi kayo lang as a group, unless nga, nag-divide kayo, di ba? So kapag tapos ka na dyan, tulungan mo ko dito. So pag marami na gumagawa sa isang project, mas mabilis dapat siya matapos. Supposedly. Okay? Kasi nangyayari kapag nag-overnight ka, may mga kwentuhan. Madalas kwentuhan pa yung kwentuhan na uubos yung oras sa overnight. Di ba, pinagkakwentuhan naman about chismis, di ba? Kaya naman about the teacher.
Chismis about the teacher.
Wala naman. Pero ang gusto ko pa rin eh. Okay? And then, or another one is by trying to relax naman yung mga work specifications mo. Kumbaga parang, kung dati napaka-stringent ng requirements mo, so pwede naman siyang bawas-bawasan ng konti. Diba? O kaya naman, na-plan mo ng methods improvement para yung mga dating ginagawa mo overkill na proseso, gawin mo siyang mas simplified. Diba? So, supposedly sa IE, yan naman isa sa trabaho natin, is trying to simplify yung mga works na pwede natin gawin. If we could minimize the time needed to do it with the same or better output, gagawin natin. Right? Okay? So, yan. So, ang goal natin is to identify a plan that will minimize the sum of the indirect costs or direct costs related to the project. Okay? So, anong mga activities daw ang dapat nating pwedeng i-crash or let's say, i-simplify mga
Ay, nasa na kayo. Una kayo. First group kayo. Saan
Ah,
yan?
nasulat ko.
Score mo first
Ilan
grade?
ka first grade?
Saan yan?
Sa ano lang.
Parang
Middle class.
saktan na kasi. Sumusaktan kita. Sumusaktan na kita. Gusto mo? Gusto mo?
Sabi sa akin yung voice.
Saktan kita.
Hindi, SA lang.
Sasaktan kita. Sasaktan kita. Sasaktan kita na rin.
Andiyan, una yung
Yun,
A kasi A. Andiyan na sign.
Si Sat na Argalas. Favorite ng Sud.
Andiyan, first group na. So, again, we must identify which activities ang dapat natin i-crash, right? So that's basically the objective of this. Pero syempre, class, whenever we do crashing, we always focus on the activities na member ng critical path. Diba? Kasi parang bottleneck din yan. If you try to improve the system, you focus on what? On the bottleneck. Diba? Improving the bottleneck will improve the performance of the entire system. So, ganoon din dito, if you improve the members of the critical path, activities sa members of the critical path, you basically improve the duration of the entire project. Okay? So, ganun din. So, we must focus on the activities na part ng critical path. Otherwise, wala rin improvement na bibigay yan sa atin. Additional cost lang siya in improving the activity. Okay? So, what are the information needed for us to do to crashing? Well, una, kailangan natin ng regular time to do each activity and the crash time. So, meaning the moment we crash the activity, what would be the new time to do it? Okay? So, assumption dito, class, alam mo na kung anong method ang gagawin mo to be able to simplify the process. Okay? So, yung pag-simplify the process is now na yan saan? Sa inyong MATLAB or sa inyong IMEPRO 2. Oo. So, ang assumption na lang natin, given that meron ka ng methodology to improve it, what would be the new time? Diba? So, you can now come up with the standard time. Para may standard time na siya. After you come up with the improvements. Okay? So, yun ang kailangan natin. What is the crash time? Okay? So, the regular cost and the crash cost as well sa bawat activity. So, meaning, syempre, nag-improve ka, posibleng nag-incur ka ng cost to do the crashing. Halimbawa, nag-hire ako ng construction person para to employee to do it, to help you out. So, the cost to hire the construction employee is a cost added to the system. Okay? So, part siya ng crash cost. Alright? And then, all activities that are part of the critical path, yan ang kailangan natin alamin para at least, okay, we know where to focus to. Okay? So, ano yung economical standpoint naman ng crashing? Una, we want to crash activities but the one with the lowest cost. So, start with the activity na part ng critical path na having the lowest cost. Okay? Siyempre, kung magtitipid ka, gusto mo na mapabilis yan, pero at the same time, gusto mo naman din na to be able to crash it, dapat minimal lang ang magastos mo. May budget ka rin dyan eh. Right? So therefore, you focus on the one with the lowest cost. Then second, you continue crashing until such time that the cost of crashing is less than, continue crashing as long as the cost to crash is less than the benefits received from crashing. So the moment yung total cost mo in crashing the activities becomes larger than the benefit that you may derive, huwag mo na ituloy i-crash yung activity na yun. Okay? So mag-crash ka na mag-crash hanggat yung total cost mo is still less than the benefits that you will get. Okay? So yung ating economical standpoint ng crashing, which we will also follow the moment we do crashing later on. Now, ano yung mga techniques to do it, to do crashing? we have LP through linear programming model. Okay? Well, I'll just show you the model. We don't really have to formulate the model na, okay, unless you want to formulate it differently, okay? And then we have the enumeration process, which is what we're going to do later on. Hindi naman siya completely enumeration, pero we'll try to identify through enumeration ano yung mga activities na dapat natin i-crash by following the economical standpoints na binasya nito. Okay? So, ayan. And then, ito na yung ating model. So, in this model, ang ating decision variable is to determine the time an event will occur. Ano ba yung event? Event pertains to the start or the end of a certain activity. So, ito yung mga nodes natin sa ating sa ating network. Okay? And then, the yj would correspond to the number of time or the time that activity j can be reduced from normal time. Ilang oras daw na pwede mong ma-reduce yung isang activity from the normal time. Okay? So, the objective therefore is to minimize the total cost in reducing it. So, Cj times Yj. The Cj being the cost of crashing the activity on a per time basis. Okay? And the constraints are as follows. So, yung unang constraint would refer to the sequence. So, an event could only happen the moment the previous event has occurred already. Ito na yun. Okay? So, basically accounting for the time in this case. Second would be the time to reduce the time to reduce the activity is limited by AJ. And likewise, the total time to finish the project must be less than or equal to, let's say, if we have a deadline, let's say, of B. Then finally, ano pa pala kayo, meron pa isa pa negativity, x1 must be forced to 0. Bakit? Starting time natin should be 0 kasi x1 being what? The first node of our network. Diba? Node 1 being the first node. So dapat at that point, the time is still 0. You haven't started the project. Okay? Clear? So this would be a question.
Continuous time ba yun?
Yes. It could be continuous. Yes.
May pag yung LP.
Yeah, continuous siya. The fact that hindi naman dinefine yung xj to be or even the yj to be integer. So it could be continuous. Yes. Pero normally kapag kapag yung mga numbers mo na dyan are in terms of integers, you would end up with integers pa rin. Eventually. But you don't have to define it. Okay? Now, here are the procedures. Una, you obtain the estimates of regular and crash times and costs for each activity. Determine the lengths of all paths and path slack. And then determine the activities that are part of the critical path. And from there, we do the crashing already. In the order of increasing cost. So you do the crashing as long as crashing do not exceed the benefits. Okay? So to illustrate, we have a simple example. Ito. So in this case, meron tayong 5 activities A, B, C, D, and E with the following normal times and crash times, with the following normal cost and crash costs. And of course, with the predecessors. Okay? So from this table, we'll try to construct the network. Okay? So let's start with 0 being the time that we can start the project. So there are 2 activities na independent. These are activities A and B. Diba? So dito yung A, yung B. So ang una mo dapat gawin is to identify the critical path. Okay? So now, after A, ano susunod? Class. After A, we have C. Okay? After B naman, what do we have? D. And then, after C is E. So, we have here. So, pag ganyan. Okay? So, what are the normal times? 6, 4, 3, 8, 7. Okay? So from here, pwede natin i-enumerate nila yung mga possible paths, di ba? Simple na may network eh. So ACE, which is ilang weeks gagawin? We have 16 weeks. Tama ba? And then the BD is what? Conflict. So lumalabas from here, which is the critical path? ACE, with 16 weeks as the duration. So we're done with with the first question. The next question is, we're asked to determine if the project can be completed in 10 weeks. Okay? So we're asked kung kaya ba natin matapos yung project in 10 weeks time. Okay? Yun ang ating determine kung kaya. Okay? So with this data class, again, we must focus, when you do crushing, we must focus on what? On the critical activity. So bago natin gawin muna yun, identify muna natin what are the costs per, the crush cost per activity. Okay? So we have activity A, B, C, D, and E. Magkano yung crush cost na class? Siyempre, what we have are the normal cost and the crush cost. So pag normal cost yan, definitely will incur this, di ba? Whatever, ano. Kapag crush cost, from 10,000 na yung ilagay 14,000. So ibig sabihin, the 10,000 is already fixed. Diba? So magkano yung dinagdag sa atin? Just 4,000. Diba? 4,000 lang ang nadagdag sa atin. What about for B? 3,000. What about for C? 1,000. What about D? And then E? 1,000. So these are the added costs whenever we do crushing. Now, syempre sabi sa atin kanina sa ano, we start by choosing yung activity na part ng critical path and at the same time having the lowest cost. So among this, ano ba critical path natin? A, C, and D. So which among them ang may mababang cost? Dalawa yan, C and D. Okay? Kaya lang class, bago tayo mag-proceed, we have to remember that yung C is what? 1,000 ang cost ko dyan. But, okay, it can only reduce the duration by 1 day. Diba? 1 day lang. Kasi from 3 days, it can be done in 2 days. So therefore, it can only reduce the duration of the project by 1 day. Samantalang si E naman, it can reduce the duration by 3 days. So which one is cheaper? It's going to be E. Diba? So hanapin na lang natin para comparable yan, yung crash cost per day. Para ma-compare natin yung mga cost na to. Kasi at this point, hindi siya comparable eh. Iba-iba ang contribution nila to the duration of the project. Okay? So on a per day basis, cost per day, per week pala, sorry, per week. So what we have? This one is 2,000 per week. Ito namang isa, it's still 3,000. Kasi 1 week lang during ang ano niya. Ito naman, 1,000. This one, 1,500. And then the last, it's 1,000 divided by 3. So among the 5, obviously, E has the lowest cost. And E is part of the critical path. So we have to start by crushing activity E. Okay? So gawa tayo ng plan. So activity to crush. Okay? Start with E. Diba? And the time, the crush time niya is equal to what? 3 weeks. Alright? So currently class, ano ba ang ating critical path? Ang critical path natin, okay, is ACE with a duration of 16 days. Tama? Tama? Now, with the 16 days, the 16 weeks as the duration, at ikakash natin yung E by 3 weeks, so therefore, ano yung reduced duration na niya?
13.
So we have 13 weeks. Okay? So magkano yung, ano natin, yung cost to do this? We incur how much? We incur 1,000 pesos. Okay? What about the benefit? Ano yung benefit natin?
3 days. Shorten.
The benefit is, well, in this case, wala talagang benefit na binibigay, di ba? Wala, no? So wala talaga ng column ng benefit. Okay? So walang walang peso value ng benefit sa problem na to. But there are problems na may peso benefit. Dito wala eh. Okay? Importante lang ang target natin, kaya ba siyang ma-reduce to 10 weeks regardless of the benefit. Okay? Though we focus on the cost na lang in this case. Okay? So, yan. Now, so, at this point, AC is 13 weeks. So, therefore, is it already 10 weeks? Hindi pa. Kulang pa. So, reduce further. Tama? So, among the, between A and C, which both are still part of the critical path, tama? So, which one has the lowest cost? C. C would contribute 1 week sa ating duration. And currently, the critical path is ACE with 13 weeks as the duration. From here yon, so less 1 week is 12 weeks. Tama? So magkano yung cost natin in doing this? Again, we have 1,000. Okay? Now, so in this case, ACE becomes 12 weeks. Diba? What is BD? 12 weeks. So lumalabas, both path would become critical paths already if we try to reduce or crush E and C. Diba? So nangyari, pareho ng critical paths yung ating activities. Dalawa nating paths. Pareho ng critical path. Okay? So in this case, hindi lang tayo dapat mag-focus sa ACE, kundi we have to focus also to BD as well. Okay? So therefore, yung E sa kasi tapos na. So dapat ko tingnan yung tatlo na, A, B, and D. Tama ba? So among the three, which one has the lowest cost? I have D. Diba? I'll focus on D. Kasi 1.5 ito, 2,000 to 3,000. So I'll focus on D, which is and D would give me, ilang duration ito? 2 weeks duration ng kanyang reduction. So currently, ang ating ACE is 12 weeks at ang ating BD is ilan? 12 weeks as well, di ba? So kapag nilagay ko yung BD, I crush D, BD will become what? 10 weeks. And it would cost us, how much? 3,000.
Simula ina.
Tama? So in this case, BD becomes what? 10 weeks. But ACE is still 12 weeks. So therefore, hindi pa rin natin na-limit yung 10 weeks. Diba? Yung BD 10 weeks, pero yung ACE is still 12 weeks. So we focus back to ACE this time. So, obviously, ano dapat natin i-crush sunod? A. If we crush A, it would give us 2 weeks na reduction. So, ACE, which is our critical path, has 12 weeks duration. Less 2, we have 10 weeks. It would cost how much? 4,000. So, in this case, class, na-reduce ba natin sa 10 weeks yung ating project? Yes. Kaya lang, all activities are critical na. Diba? Hindi pwedeng madali ang kahit isang activity dyan. And to be able to do that, it would cost us how much? It would cost us 9,000 pesos to crush the activities. Okay? So in this case, we have to crush all except B, and it would cost us 9,000. Okay? Clear? Question. Questions?
So, bakit kailangan dalawa makapunta kay 4?
Ah?
Ba't kailangan dalawa sila makapunta kay node 4?
Kasi both D and E are the last activities. We only have one terminal node dapat. We must use the least number of arcs, dummy arcs, and least number of nodes whenever we do Gagabula network. That's the objective. So, hindi naman siya mali kapag marami ka. Kaya lang, syempre, mas less complex on our part to see a network with less number of parts and less number of nodes. Okay? Alright? Any questions? Next. Another problem. This time, we're given the following information with 6 activities. We're asked to develop an optimum time cost solution, assuming that the indirect project costs are worth $1,000 per day. So every time you do the project, at hindi pa sa project, nag-incur tayo na $1,000 na project cost per day. Alright? So if in case you want to shorten it, mas shorten yung duration sa project, may benefit tayo magkano? $1,000 per day. So the shorter the duration, the more benefits we derive. Diba? Okay? So we're given the preceding activities, the normal time, the crash times, and the cost per day to crash. So in this case, cost per day na right siya. Okay? So we are to again draw the precedence diagram in this case. Okay? So we start again by node 0. From node 0, anong activities ang independent? A and C. So A, and then we have C here. Okay? Next, after A is B. Tama ba?
Yes.
And then after C is D. Okay? Sunod. After D is E. Okay? And then F depends on B and E. Ito yun. The F, so this is ours. Okay? So this is now the network. Again, simple lang din. So we just write the normal times to determine our critical path and the duration. So 6, 10, 5, 4, 9, and alright? So from here, what are the paths? A, B, F would require us to finish it in 18
Weeks.
days.
Days per year.
What about the other ones? C, D, E, F. Tama ba?
Yes. Wait.
Because would require us to do this in 20 days. Meron pa bang iba? Wala na? Wala na. So therefore, the duration of the project is 20 days with C, D, E, F as our critical activities. Okay? So we now come up with a plan, okay, with a plan to basically identify which among the activities ang dapat natin i-track. Okay? So let's start by identifying which among the activities would have the lowest cost. Okay? So can I erase this part? Wala kang burahin. Pwede na to? Kasi nga ito na burahin. So in this case, class, may benefit na kung dapat consider, di ba? So may benefit na. So ngayon, lagyan ko siya ng net benefit. Ay, masama net benefit na. Okay. So ito. Which among the activities natin C, D, E, F has the lowest cost? C would cost us 300, D would cost us 7, E is 6, and F is 800. So among them, C has the lowest cost. So we start by crashing C. Okay? So if we crash C, it would give us 3 days na reduction, no? And the critical path currently is CDEF with 20 days as the duration, but less 3, 17 days becomes its new duration. Okay? So it would cost us how much? 300 times 3, which is 900. Sorry, bakit? Okay, sorry, 1 lang pala yan. Thank you. Okay. So we only have what? 20 and then we have 19. Thank you. So it would cost us how much? 300. Just 300. Okay? And the benefit, nabawasan ba yung ating duration? From 20 naging 19, so it would give us 1,000 benefit. So the net benefit therefore is 700. The cost is still less than the benefit, so continue crushing. Tama? The next. What about yung D? Dito ay, ano yung next na ating kailangan i-crush? D is 700, D is 600, F is 8. So we could crush E. Tama? Crushing E would give us a reduction of 2 days. Tama ba? And then, CDEF will become what? 19 ngayon, less 2, we have 17 days. Correct? Tama ba? 17 days na ang CDEF. So therefore, magkano yung cost natin in crushing E? So we have 1, 2. Tama ba? 2 times we have 1, 2. Ngayon, magkano yung benefit? Is it 2,000 or just 1,000? Yes, 2 days, 17 days na siya. But, ABF is only 18 days. So between the two, nag-shift na sa ABF ang critical path if we try to crush E at this point. Diba? Tama? So therefore, 1,000 na ang benefit ko. Ha? Kasi 17 days ang CDEF, ABF is 18 days. So which one is the critical path? It's ABF. Yes. Oh, yes. So in this case, magkano net benefit natin? 1,500 na itong dalawa, ina-add ko na. Tapos 2,000 ito. So we have 500 as the net benefit. It's still positive, so therefore, walang problema. Continue crushing ka pa. Tama? Tama ba? Now, so therefore, we focus on our attention saan? ABF, okay? Alay ko dito para, sige. So, among ABF class, which one has the lowest cost? So, A, B, and F. So, A, B, and F. A, hindi pwede i-crush. B, and F. So, we choose B. So, crushing B would give us ilang araw na reduction? 2 days. Tama ba? ABF currently is ilan? 18 less to 16. Okay? 16 days ang ABF. But we have to remember, CDEF is 17 days. So therefore, ang ating benefit is just 1,000. And the cost in crushing B is how much? 1,000. So basically, nag-break even ka lang dyan. Still, 500 pa rin ang net benefit. So positive pa rin. So continue crushing. Right? Cumulative. Okay, cumulative na lang ito. Sige, okay. Next. So therefore, ABF is ilang araw? 16. What about CDEF? 17. So we focus back to CDEF. Okay? So we're done with C and E. So we look at D and F. Between D and F, which one is the lowest cost? D. Okay, let's focus on D. D would reduce the duration by 3 days. Right? Now, CDEF will become, currently is 17.
14.
Less 3, we have 14 days. Okay, good. But, remember, ABF is 16 days. So therefore, 1,000 lang ang benefit natin. What about the cost? Cost is sa nakati, no? DG is 7 times 3, 2,100. So magkaya na yung cost natin. Ilan to? 4,600. So naman, 4,000. So negative 600 na yan. So in other words, huwag mo i-crash si D. Don't crash D. Yes.
Kanina yung 17.
Ito? Kasi 14 days siya, 16 days ang ating ABF, di ba? So, between the two, which is the critical one?
Di ba ngayon?
16, di ba? So, 17 natin ABCDEF, naging 16. So, 1,000 na. Okay? Next! So, therefore, anong critical path natin sa ngayon? Shifted back to well, actually CDF pa rin kasi the fact na hindi mo naman kinrush si D eh. So still ang ating critical path is CDEF. Tama ba? So hindi pa rin si D, can it crush F? Yes. F would reduce it by 1 and magiging ano si DEF? Si DEF currently is 17 days, magiging 16. Tama ba? So this time, 16 ang CDEF, 16 si ABF. So nabawasan ng 1,000 o nadagdag na katipid tayo na 1,000 with the cost of how much? 800. So lumalabas, net benefit is 700. Okay, so in this case, what do? We crush C, E, B, and F. It will give us a net benefit of 700.
1,000 na sa D.
Sa D,
Yung benefit.
ito ay kasi di ba 16 siya dati? 17 siya dati. Eh, naging 14. Pero ang ating ABF is still 16. So between the two, which one ang duration mo? 16. So from 17 naging 16, 1,000 na.
What's that? Yung number 1, kaya sa C. Di ba 20?
Oo.
Naging 19.
Yes, so 1,000. Ito namang isa, 19, naging 17, 1,000 kasi 18 pang ABF ko. 18 pang ABF ko. Diba? Itong 16 na to pertains to ABF. But your CDEF is 17.
Yun nga, so 1,000.
Ha? Kaya 1,000 ito. Kasi nangyayari class, when we do crushing, it's possible that the critical path will shift from one path to another. Kasi yan ay babawas
Hindi na consider yun.
Ha?
Yung 40.
Hindi na, kasi 14, ang kalaban niya is 16. Anong critical path mo? Is 16. And that is ABF.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
Paano malaman kung kailan
Kapag wala ka na ma-crash, at the same time, kapag nag-negative na yung ano mo, it's isang negative eh. Kaya lang, tanda mo, pwede ka pa mag-crash, right? At you will notice, mas maganda pang i-crash ang F, di ba? Than crashing B. Why? Kasi F is both a member of what? O F is a member of both ABF and CDEF. Right?
Para sa previous example, paano mong mararating na yung crash lahat? Tapos hindi talaga siya ma-reduce. So, conclusion,
Cannot be reduced. Cannot be reduced in F.
paano ba may ganun na broken?
Yes. So you will settle for something that is, let's say, a little over 10 weeks. Or possibly try to redesign the project in such a way that 10 weeks will be achievable.
Di ba nag-crash natin yung F sa CDF? Hindi ba siya mag-crash din sa ABF?
Ha?
Di ba kasama mag-crash?
Yes, mangyayari.
Oo nga.
16 ang CBF, CBF will become 14. But then it can pan pa rin, CBF in the duration of 16 weeks.
Or yung ABF, so hindi na babawasan.
14. Sorry, 15 pala. 15. Bakit na 14? 15. 1 week lang. 1 day lang. Okay?
So, ABF ulit.
Still, pero still, CBF ang ating critical, which is 16.
Kasi if ever nagka-ano sila, pagpasok mo na ang F, tapos yung critical path mo equal, ang ABF pati CBF.
Will become critical path.
O critical path, tapos mong -1, so critical path pa rin sila.
Yes.
Sorry.
Okay? So, therefore, anong conclusion natin? We have to crash C, E, B, and F. Okay, with this net benefit. Net, total net benefit natin sa ating crashing plan. Okay? So, although class, kung may budget ka, kasi so far, you incur how much? Magkano lahat itong na-cost mo? 1,525 and 3,300, right? 3,300. So, paano kung na-limit ka lang sa, let's say, you're supposed to crash it with the budget, let's say, of 2,500. Hindi pwede, di ba? Pero, kaya pa rin, pero I'll focus on C, E, and F na lang rather than focusing on B. Di ba? Magkano yung cost ko dito? 2,300. Net benefit ko. Tandaan mo, ito kasi nag-cancel out lang eh. Net benefit would still be 700. Diba? Ito nag-cancel out lang ito sa ating B. So therefore, pwede ko siya hindi na gawin, bababa pa yung cost ko to what? From 3,300 naging 2,300. Diba? So, kaya ko pa rin siyang gawin 700 ang net benefit with the lowest cost of 2,300. So in this case, posible pa nga na mas magandang i-crash na lang ang C, E, and F. Kung hindi ka after sa duration, after ka sa cost mo, okay, sa cost na meron kang you would probably do this. Kasi ang net benefit dito is 700. Tama? Pero ang cost mo is just what? 2,300. 2,300. Tama? 2,300. Tapos, anong duration ng project natin? ABF, less 1 will be 17. CDF will become 16. Tama ba? Tama? So, 17 days ang duration nito. Tama? Compare sa CEBF, what do we have? Net benefit is 700, cost is 3,300, but the duration is 16 days. So kung ikaw, ang very particular ka with the cost, investment cost, what do? You will not choose this. You would rather choose the first one. Tama? Naintindihan? Pero if you are particular with the duration, you would rather choose this. 16 days. So depende yan saan? Sa ano mo, sa objective mo. Sa concern mo, yes.
Yung 1,000 is how much?
Sorry?
Yung 1,000 is how much you earn from crashing each of you?
The benefit?
Yeah.
The savings in terms of indirect cost na pwede mong hindi magastos because you reduce the duration. Because of this one.
Sir, why did you agad accept E? Di ba negative yung benefit?
Ano yan?
Yung E.
Hindi siya negative ha. I-add ko yan, 1,500, 2,000, cumulative yan eh. Don't take it one activity at a time when you do the net benefit.
Sir,
Yes.
so why did we reject yung Zika agad? Because kung pwede, may chance na bumawi yung 600.
Ha?
Yung net benefit, yung negative 600.
Kasi the net benefit, total na yan ha. This is total already. Pag tinotal ko siya, negative na kagad eh. Net benefit pa.
Paano alam hindi na magbawi with the other activities? Let's say,
Eto, sige. Pwede siya mabawi. But the thing is, kung wala siya, mataas pa sana ang net benefit ko.
so why don't you remove inner? Since
Ha?
why don't we remove E na rin since bumaba rin yung...
I could do that, but the thing is, my duration is no longer 17 days. It will be reduced. It will be increased to what? To 19 days probably, or 18 days. Di ba? Magkano na yung benefit mo? Just 1,000. Right? I could do that, walang problema doon. Kaya lang, tandaan mo, pag ginawa ko yun, magiging net benefit is 1,000.
So yung net benefit at negative, tanggalin mo lang agad.
Kapag ganito talaga, the net benefit is negative, huwag mo siya isali. Okay? Though ito is mas mataas ang cost ko dito, kaya lang, remember, bababa naman yung aking duration. But though so far, the net benefit is still positive, so I could do it. Okay? Pero kung mag-negative na yan, huwag gagawin. Okay? So ito, pwede ko pa siya hindi gawin, the E. Pero, kapag hindi ko siya ginawa, my duration is not 17 days, but it would probably be just 18 days or 19 days.
1 minus 1.
Okay? 2 days kasi, 2 days kasi ang ano niya eh. So we are 19. 19 pa rin ang CDEF, tapos ang ABF is 18. So it would still, 19 pa rin ang ating ano. Ibawas ito 1 day, 18. So 18 days. So pag 2,000 lang. With the F, with the F yun. With the F.
Sir Jan, ano yung definition ng optimum time cost?
Sorry?
Ano yung isang definition ng optimum time cost? Kasi di ba sir, parang ano siya, more time, more cost? Or...
You know, come up with a balance. Balance, you have to strike a balance between the time and the cost. It could be very timely, but the cost is too high. So you need to strike a balance. So therefore, in this case, I could arrive with this one. So again, if my objective is cost, I will focus on this. Diba? But if my objective is the benefits, and so is the duration, I'll focus on this one. CDES. Okay?
Sir, kung mainly duration lang, kung as in duration lang
I'll do this. I'll do this.
Sir, ba't hindi yung D? Kasi yung...
But the thing is, may net benefit ka kina-consider eh.
Pero, di ba sir, kung, for example, sabihin ng company nga, okay lang sila gumastos.
Di ko walang problema, go! But the thing is, what's the point of doing it kung wala ka lang ng benefit in return? Diba? Remember, usually in business, yes, you want to satisfy the customer, but at the same time, you want something, a little bit of return. Diba? Kahit man lang $100 ang ikitain mo, pesos, as long as it's positive, wala problema. Okay? So in this case, class, I could choose this or I could choose this. Either the two can be done depending on what? On your objective. If you want to minimize your investment cost in crashing, or you want to have the lowest duration. Okay. Alright? Clear? Okay. So this is the last na. So basically we're done with project management. So your assignment on this particular topic would be answer problem number 4 ng inyong book. Winston ito. Chapter 8 yata yun. Okay, and that is page 447 yata. Okay? Si Cara. Pakisabi sa kabilang class natin.
Yes, sir.
Ayan. Ayan, wala nga eh. Nandito ka ba kahapon?
Magagulat na lang sila.
Ayan. Sinabi ko naman diba kahapon na announce
Sir,
para
matalinig ko wala.
na assignment.
Hindi na doon. Hindi ko mamagawin.
Sinabi ko yung kahapon na sasabihin ko sa iyo yung assignment.
So, kailan yan due bukas na?
Oo, kaya yun. Sa number lang yan.
Okay.
Kasi, sumasok ka ba?
Ako may kasalanan.
Pakita ko sa iyo.
Angelo.
Sir, yung chapter 8, page 4. Thank you, sir.
RG pala.
Oh, ayan na. Oh, may yung 4. Oh. Tapos ito yung table niya. Oh, ayan yung table.
Yes, may PDF.
Sige lang. Like yung problem promise. It's about setting up a concert. Concert pa nga yata yun. Okay? So we are done with project management. So we now move on to the next topic.
Wait lang, maraming tanong, maraming pang tanong.
Tanong?
Maraming pang tanong, sir.
Ano ba tanong?
Sir, ba't hindi dami yung araw yun?
Wala mo matandaan.
Ano yung dami activity?
Kasi ano na.
Try lang po tagalin. Sir, di ba dapat bawal sa loob mag-crash dalawang araw? Dalawang araw lang isa.
Pero magkaiba ka na starting mo, di ba? Pinapatagal mo sa
RJ! Sir, paano yun? You're getting December 5.
Okay, critic, I gave the para last yesterday for those who will be critiquing yung K-Mix. I forwarded the PowerPoint, the article, and the full paper to Cara. Okay? And then, for those naman who will critique another article, I already gave the article to Angelica Hangot, and then she left a copy yata sa second floor para photocopy. Okay? Clear? In file project, I'll be giving you an outline pa for that. So you need a host copy or assistant. Probably the choose during the time that I'm not here. Okay. I will not be here on the 10th to 15 kaya ang files na I requested na going 7. It's too late. Then 18 na last day. 18 yung comment man ko. Okay.